Yo guys, so for this trick I would like the spectator to touch any card out of the middle. So let's say they touch this card. Please look at it and don't forget it, the 8 of spades. So I'll put it back into the middle and you can clearly see it really goes into the middle. So now I'm gonna do something really cool. I'm gonna turn behind my back one card over, okay? And I hope that's your card. I can see it because it's behind my back, so I think it's done. So let's see. All the cards are face down. Except for your card, the 8 of spades. Yo guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna teach you a really cool card trick that's extremely easy to do. It really doesn't require any skill. So for this trick, the only preparation you need is 2 cards that are face up, or in this case face down, on the bottom of the deck. So all the cards are face down. Then we got 2 cards that are face up. And that's basically it. Now you can do a one-handed riffle. So how to do that? Your middle ring and pinky go here. Your thumb is going to riffle. And your pointer is here. If you don't know how to do a riffle, you can watch this video. And you just let them choose a card. So let's say they choose the 6 of spades. Now I show them the card, but this is all misdirection because I'm gonna tell them to don't forget it, so when they see it they can recognize it as their card, and then I'm gonna flip the deck over. So I choose another card. So let's say they say stop here, and please look up at my right hand what it's gonna do. So I tell the spectator, please remember it and don't forget it, so you know, or so you can recognize it. And in that motion I just flip the deck over. So that's a really cool misdirection thing. It's just a bit of acting, not really hard. And then they can just push their card back into the middle. But pay attention, they don't do something like this, because then they will see that the card is that the deck is all face up. Or you can put it in the middle yourself if you don't want it to happen. And that's it. Now you can say, okay, I'm gonna flip over one card behind my back. But what you're gonna do is behind your back, you're gonna flip these 2 cards over and the full deck like this. So it looks that's nothing happened, but you flip the whole deck over. And now their card is face up, because when the deck was like this, they put the card face down. So you turn it face up. But now they will think that if they see their card, let's search it. Their card, there it is. If they see their card face up, then they might think that you just flip this card over without even seeing it. So, yeah, that's really cool, and extremely easy. And you can do it on a more advanced way with misdirection, and it's exactly the same. It's just no, it's one card face down. So you're gonna let them choose a card, but this is the more advanced one. So if you don't know how to do this, or if this is a bit too hard for you, just don't do it, because the first one is really easy and really powerful. But now you're gonna do exactly the same. You're gonna show them the card, 4 of clubs in this case. You're gonna flip the deck over, and they can push the card back, just like that. And now you're gonna do something like acting, that they have to place their hand like this, and their other hand like this. So you can place the deck here, but you're gonna move your hand a bit higher, or no, their hand needs to be very high, so they're gonna look at their hand, and then you can turn the deck over. That's not really easy to do, because you really need to misdirect them, and when you flip the deck over, you can place them, or you can place the deck in their hand, and they can search their card. But again, this was a harder version, so when they see their card, you have to say, just take it, and then you take the deck back, so they won't see the face up card.
So yeah, that's basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, the performance and the tutorial. And make sure to like and subscribe, and maybe you can watch this video too. See you later. Ciao.